Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro to uncover some incredible hidden features and secrets that Apple didn't highlight in their keynote. Whether you've already got your hands on the latest iPhone or you're still deciding if it's worth the upgrade, stick around because there's a lot to uncover. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tips, tricks, and updates. Alright, let's get straight into it. The iPhone 16 lineup has brought some significant changes, but as usual, Apple has left a few gems for us to discover on our own. First up, let's talk about the new display technology. While Apple made a big deal about the Super Retina XDR display with its adaptive refresh rate, what they didn't emphasize is the enhanced micro-LED backlighting on the 16 Pro models. This means even better contrast ratios, deeper blacks, and a noticeable improvement in HDR performance. If you're someone who loves watching movies or editing photos on your phone, you're going to see a difference, especially in dim lighting. But here's something most people aren't talking about: the new customizable action button. Yes, Apple replaced the mute switch with a button, and while they mentioned you could assign tasks to it, they didn't really showcase its full potential. With the latest iOS update, you can use this button to trigger automation shortcuts. Imagine pressing the button to turn on your smart home lights, activate a specific focus mode, or even start recording video instantly. And here's a bonus: you can assign different actions based on the time of day or your location. For instance, it could launch your workout playlist when you're at the gym or send a quick text when you leave work. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's move on to the camera upgrades. Apple's presentation focused on the new 48-megapixel main sensor and the advanced telephoto lens on the Pro Max. But did you know there's a hidden macro mode on the Pro models? This mode allows you to capture extreme close-ups with incredible detail. Whether it's the texture of a flower petal or the intricate design of a piece of jewelry, the results are stunning. Plus, if you're into astrophotography, the iPhone 16 Pro has a new star tracking feature that automatically adjusts exposure settings to capture breathtaking shots of the night sky. Another camera secret lies in the new video recording modes. Apple briefly mentioned ProRes, but what they didn't dive into is the ability to record directly to an external SSD. For creators, this is a game changer. You can shoot high-resolution footage without worrying about running out of storage on your phone. And here's a pro tip: use the iPhone's new log encoding option to get better dynamic range, making it easier to color grade your videos in post-production. Alright, let's talk about battery life. Apple claimed the iPhone 16 lineup offers all-day battery life, but they didn't highlight the new power-saving tricks hidden in iOS. One of these is the adaptive charging mode, which learns your daily habits and optimizes charging to extend your battery's lifespan. For instance, if you typically unplug your phone at 7 a.m., it'll only charge to 80% overnight and top up the remaining 20% just before you wake up. And here's the kicker: there's also a new extreme power saving mode that shuts down non-essential background processes while keeping critical apps like calls and messages running. This can give you an extra few hours when you're low on juice. Now, for those who love gaming, Apple has quietly enhanced the iPhone's performance with a new thermal management system. This means the A17 Pro chip can sustain peak performance longer without overheating. But here's the real secret: Apple has partnered with developers to unlock ray tracing for specific games, offering console-quality graphics on your phone. If you're a gamer, this feature alone might make the iPhone 16 Pro worth considering. Let's not forget about connectivity. While Apple announced Wi-Fi 7 support, what they didn't mention is the improved beamforming technology that enhances signal strength and reduces latency. This is particularly useful for fast-time calls, online gaming, and streaming high-definition content. And here's a little-known feature. The iPhone 16 series can now act as a Wi-Fi extender for your home network. So, if you've got a dead zone in your house, your iPhone can help fill the gap. Security and privacy have always been Apple's strong suits, and the iPhone 16 takes it up a notch. The new Secure Enclave has been upgraded for faster Face ID recognition, even at extreme angles. And did you know there's a new anti-snooping feature for FaceTime? It uses AI to blur sensitive information on your screen if someone's looking over your shoulder. Plus, Safari now supports passkeys, so you can log into websites using Face ID or Touch ID instead of traditional passwords. It's faster, more secure, and super convenient. Here's another hidden gem. Apple has introduced a new accessibility feature called Live Speech. It's designed for users who are non-verbal or have difficulty speaking. You can type what you want to say, and your iPhone will speak it aloud in real time. While this is a fantastic feature for those who need it, it's also a fun tool for everyone. Imagine using it to prank your friends or make announcements at a party. The possibilities are endless. And for my multitaskers out there, Apple has improved split-screen functionality on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. While they didn't officially announce it, some apps now support side-by-side views, making it easier to juggle tasks like browsing the web while responding to emails. It's a subtle but highly productive addition. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some cool accessories that pair perfectly with the iPhone 16. Apple's new MagSafe ecosystem includes a foldable travel charger that's compact and powerful. But here's a secret feature. If you're using MagSafe with the new iPhone, it automatically adjusts charging speeds based on the accessory, ensuring optimal performance. And for the fitness enthusiasts, the new MagSafe armband has built-in sensors that track your heart rate and sync directly with the Health app. So, is the iPhone 16 or 16 Pro worth the upgrade? Well, that depends on what you value most. If you're all about performance, camera quality, or future-proofing your device, these hidden features might just tip the scale. And even if you're not ready to upgrade, it's exciting to see how Apple continues to innovate and surprise us with these small but impactful enhancements. If you found these tips and secrets helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more tech insights and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.